chin. Your neck. How about your elbow? Very good. Your armpit. Very good. Your tummy. Very good. How about your ears? Where's your ears? Very good. Hair. Very good. Hey, yes, very good. Very good, baby.
Where's your nails?
Your nails. Your fingers. Your feet.
Wow, very
How about
good.
your feet? Where's your feet?
Where's your legs?
Legs. How about your knee? Knee. Your knee. Very good. Perfect. Perfect.
Perfect. Where's your eyes?
Yay!
Where's your eyes, baby?
Pali na nga po, genius yun talaga yung